Snoring isn't just annoying, it can keep everyone in bed from getting a good night's sleep. Some experts say snoring can also be harmful on your health. Consumer Reports has which steps to take.
An overnight sleep test can detect whether you have obstructive sleep apnea, which is when your breathing pauses during sleep because something blocks your airway.
Obstructive sleep apnea can cause daytime sleepiness. It could also strain the heart and increase the risk of anxiety, diabetes, hypertension, and even stroke. The primary treatment for sleep apnea is a continuous positive airway pressure machine, or CPAP. Users are fitted with a mask connected to a pump that pushes air into the airway, holding it open while sleeping. While CPAP can significantly reduce the number of breathing interruptions during the night, patients often have complaints.
It requires daily cleaning, which is another thing to add to your day-to-day routine.
If the full face mask isn't for you, you might want to consider a nasal pillow or a nasal mask. Another alternative is custom-made dental devices.
These are designed to move the jaw and to shift the tongue to the front of the mouth to keep the airway open, and they can be used along with CPAP.
There's also devices that are surgically implanted in the upper chest, like a pacemaker. They stabilize your throat during sleep to prevent obstruction of the airway. With no hose or mask to worry about, it can seem much more convenient. But it's not an easy fix.
Personally, I just want to be comfortable undergoing surgery for something that can be managed without it.
Remember that sleep issues can be serious, but a restful night begins with a good conversation with your doctor.